The main focus of a company is the manufacturing of high domestic quality pumps and electric motors. With only 10 employees during our inception, at present we have more than 100 workers and staff. In the quality control section, each of the incoming components is subjected to testing, which is done using highly accurate instruments, which is to ensure the standard of a product. In the machine shop, the components are fabricated by high precision CNC machine. The process of inserting paper inside the stator is automated with automatic paper inserting machine. Also, an automatic coil winding machine is used to increase the wound stator production to 1000 numbers per shift. Then all the wounded stator are tested using surge comparison tester, which is followed by merger test and the high voltage test. After completing every test, all the stators are immersed in varnish through the vacuum impregnation plant for more than 2 hours. And then the stators are subjected to preheating for 1 hour, followed by full heating at 130 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. This process guaranteed the long life of our products. The process of motor and pump assembly in our production is done using pneumatic tools. The completion of production is followed by final testing, after which the product reaches packaging and dispatch section. The monthly production is 30,000 pumps per set. The company itself has working area of 12,000 square feet with an ongoing expansion of additional 10,000 square feet. Has more than 30 years of experience in administration, finance and accounting. Addition to the top-notch technology used, both of their proficiency and skills has made the company constantly achieve greater heights in the market by providing and delivering superior quality products.